Hi, welcome to the World Gut Project. My name is Carrie if you're new here. This channel is all about being vegan and low FODMAP for IBS. And it is summertime and all I want to do is eat loads of juicy, exotic fruits. And I'm quite sensitive to excess fructose, so that is not an option. But today I have two very refreshing fruity smoothies recipes for you, which are low FODMAP, so easy on the old tongue. Let's get cracking into those recipes. Sadly, watermelon is pretty high FODMAP, even though it's so delicious and refreshing. But there is a melon we can have, and that is a cantaloupe. And I spotted one at the market stall yesterday, and I was like, I need to do a recipe with this because they're so good. The low FODMAP portion is 120 grams or 3/4 of a cup. And for this recipe, serving two, you're going to need about 1.5 cups of cantaloupe. We're going to peel it, get rid of the seeds. That's 240 grams. You're going to need some fresh mint, about 2 cups worth of almond milk, 2/3 of a frozen banana, and some ice. You're going to put that all in a blender, so very simple, and just blend away into a beautiful, creamy and refreshing smoothie, and it's so good. I think the mint's just unexpected in it. I recently got this Ninja processor and I'm kind of in love with it. I've been putting off the purchase for a long time, but I was like, I want it and I use it every day, so I think it was worth it. And it blends ice really well. But if yours doesn't, simply keep the melon in the fridge and use chilled water that you've also refrigerated, and you'll still have a really nice refreshing smoothie. So the next smoothie is a strawberry smoothie, and you probably know already that strawberries are FODMAP free, it's difficult to say. But this one has a little bit of a twist, so I'll show you how. Serving two, we're going to take 2 cups of strawberries. You could use frozen or fresh. Again, if your processor or blender isn't up to frozen, just let them thaw out, keep them in the fridge. And then we're going to put a few sprigs of fresh basil, the juice of 1 lime, and if you want it to really kick, we're going to add some zest in as well, and then we're going to add ice or chilled water and blend. I love this one, it feels really fancy. It feels like, you know, when you get like a really nice mocktail from a bar, that's what it's like. It's like a strawberry basil daiquiri. So I hope you enjoy these recipes. I hope they're simple and fun, easy to recreate. Just in case you didn't know, I'm trying to organise a low FODMAP vegan yoga retreat somewhere in the south of England, and I'm still really struggling to find a venue that's up to it in terms of catering, but also like enough space, good public transport and stuff. So if you know a place, please let me know. But there's a link in the description that you can just register if you want to keep updated on that. So it'd be wonderful to meet you in real life if you can come. I will see you in a couple of weeks with another video, so take care. Bye.